Hey guys, for today's video ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-send ng USDT from Trust Wallet to your Binance account. Para may sagawa ang transaction dito, kailangan natin ng BNB Smart Chain. Yung kulay black na nakikita nyo sa screen ngayon. It will serve as our gas fee and transaction fee para ma-complete itong transaction natin. Ang next na gagawin natin ay open natin Binance app. From Binance Home Interface, click this Add Funds. Choose on deposit with crypto, then search on USDT. And now select the chain. Make sure to select BEP20 or BIP20. Click on it. Then copy the wallet address by pressing these two box. Now balik tayo sa Trust Wallet. Click on USDT. Then send. Enter the wallet receiver's wallet address, yung nakopy natin dito. Long press for paste. Then input the amount. You can max it if you want, kung lahat gusto mong isend. Or you can input manually. After that, double check. After that, click on next to send. Confirm or approve. Then, let's wait for the transaction to be completed. View the transaction details. Makikita nyo dyan is pending transaction. It will take seconds to minutes to confirm our transaction para ma-transfer to Binance. Let's patiently wait for it. Once the transaction has been completed, may magno-notify sa iyo na Binance notification. I-open natin ulit ang ating Binance app. After na completed na yung transaction, magbaback lang tayo sa ating Binance app. Mula deposit, balik naman tayo sa home. Then, from home, drag down lang natin to refresh. Minutes to seconds lang, magre-reflect na yung deposited amount natin. Just like nakikita nyo sa screen ngayon. Like this video and watch the next video for the P2P in Binance episode.